will only achieve happiness when you make others happy. Without that, you're not going to be achieving that happiness. Allah continues to help a slave for as long as that slave is helping another. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us happiness and goodness. So if you want happiness, search for those who have less than you. That's the criteria that Allah has given you to be happy. Allah didn't say it for no reason. But Allah is telling you, you really want that happiness? Well, there are so many people who don't have what you have. Help them, reach out to them, look at them. You appreciate what you have. I promise you, the problem with most of us is we keep looking at those who have more than us, and we forget to look at those who have less. We keep looking at the next thing, the next thing. All of that, even those who've won the lottery. I'm not talking about its permissibility here. I'm talking about those who won the lottery. Please go and search and see that their happiness did not last more than a few months. In most cases, in almost all cases. Go and see how many of them have committed suicide thereafter, yet they won millions and billions. That is why I read a story of someone who won a huge lottery. They decided to donate it because they didn't want their lives to be compromised. But with us, subhanallah, happiness is become connected to materialism, and that is fake.